Hi guys, happy Saturday. Just wanted to check in with you. This week we've had a lot of the market stats kind of flowing in from various sources to give us an idea of where we landed with November. Just wanted to kind of share with you what the status is. In most areas in the Denver metro and Boulder metro area, we have less than 2 weeks worth of inventory on the market, which is, I mean, it's nuts. We have folks who can't find homes. Uh, just to give you an idea, I was looking last night with one of our title folks. Laura and I were looking up, and as of last night, there were 51 homes on the market in Evergreen, 8 in Conifer, 5 in Pine, and 8 in Bailey. That's in any price point. That does include condos. Um, there's not much. There's not much. I mean, I think it's safe to say we comfortably have less than 100 properties, homes for sale in the foothills right now. Um, so there's a huge demand. It's a great time to grab your equity. Um, our volume has been down overall as a Denver Metro MLS, but there's some interesting data there. Overall, November 2019 versus November 2020, the Denver Metro MLS has been down 34% in closed units, down 11% in closed volume, down 35% in listings, down 69% in active listings, down 35% in closed listings. What's interesting about this is if you look at who's grabbing the market share right now, it's Keller Williams Foothills. Right now, we are up in closed units 8% year over year, up in closed volume 13%, up in uh, listings closed 18%. And we're down in active listings because everybody is, but we're only down in active listings 35% over 69% for the whole Denver Metro MLS. So we're ahead by 34% on that. And we're down in active volume, but again, it's about half of what the rest of the MLS is experiencing. So if you're looking to list, um, I'm bragging at my office a little bit here, but you know who to call. We're still doing business. I've got a couple of closings this month. I think just about everybody in the office has closings this month, and that's uncommon right now. It's uncommon in December, really, but we're not seeing the seasonal slowdown that we've seen in the past. It's slowed down a little bit, but I was having a conversation last night. We predict it's going to, ramp back up in January as opposed to the typical February, March where it starts to pick back up. We think it's going to start picking up in January again, like it did last year. Equity is high. You've got a lot of cash sitting in your home. I don't care who you are. You've got a lot of cash sitting in your home unless you bought it last week. Grab that equity, put it to work for you. Interest rates right now are below inflation rates. It's basically free money. You get to take the equity out of your home, take someone else's money, go move into your dream home. Now is the time to do it. Now is the time to make real estate investments. Um, we're forecasting, some folks are forecasting that those interest rates will stay low throughout 2021. We really have no idea. I don't know from week to week what the market holds. It could change at any point, but right now we have super low inventory, super high demand. Interest rates are incredibly low. It is a great time to make a move from an investment standpoint. Build your family's wealth with that. I do have sellers who contact me that are like, Lauren, if we sell our house and we don't find another one, where do we go? What do we do? First of all, I'm not going to let that happen to you. I'm not going to let that happen to you guys. We have options. We can do reverse contingencies, which means that, hey, the sale of your house only goes through if you find a replacement home. We do post-closing occupancy agreements where, okay, we're going to close the sale on your house, but you have X number of days or weeks or months to find a new home. We're not going to put you in that situation. I wouldn't do that to somebody. So we do have options there. If you are working with a broker who doesn't know how to do reverse contingencies, who doesn't know how to do post-closing occupancy agreements, you need a new broker. If you are working with a broker who does not know how to do virtual showings, who does not know how to do online marketing, you need a new broker. Whether it's me or somebody else, like find somebody that's good. Otherwise, I mean, that's what's going on. Now is a great time to pull the equity out of your house. We'll close it after the holidays. Go take that money and build it. Build it, build it, build it, build your wealth. Now is definitely the time, especially with everything going on in the world. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. 720-485-1500 is my mobile. You can call me or text me there. You can also reach me via email, of course, lauren@laurenweiss.com. You can schedule a Zoom call directly on my Facebook page, and that's just facebook.com/Lauren Weiss Realtor. You might be watching this video from there or from YouTube. Feel free to reach out if you have questions. If you're like, hey, how much equity do I have in my house? Or what could I actually do? Or is it time to go buy that second home? The answer is probably yes, because you won't see these interest rates again. They're going to persist for a little while, but we don't know how long. So give me a call if you have questions. Let me know how I can help. Use this as an opportunity. Leverage and build your family's wealth. I'm happy to help you guys out. Talk to you soon.